Alright, first video of Cisco 3, and I'm going to talk about Chapter 1, Scaling Networks. So, when you are designing a network for, say, a small business, you want to have a fully functional network that everything runs on smoothly, you have redundancy, and you can scale that to whether the company grows or not. So here's a little video on the growth of that. So you start off in your small company right here with your access to the internet. It increases a little bit of employees, and then it increases to all these other buildings. And you have to make sure that you can expand that. Alright, here we have the hierarchical design model. This model states where we put everything in our hardware and what it does. So we have our access layer here. This is the connectivity to the end users. Our distribution layer gets the traffic to that, and the core layer is our kind of the backbone layer between the networks. And then we have our internet here. So here we have good design for scaling. We want to make sure that everything is available and easy to locate. So, like here we have a wiring closet that has 2 switches in there. And the backbone, we have our servers. Here we have our different areas for the routers. And then this is how we would set up end users through the routers and the switches. Modular equipment is important. You can just add more without getting the cost of buying a whole new machine. Port density is very important on switches in your network. As more users expand, you want to make sure you have a modular configuration where you can add those high number of ports. Alright, so here we have a little drag and drop for selecting switches. Electrical power over Ethernet, that would be power over Ethernet. Forwarding rate. Expansion of capacity, that would be modular. Built-in permanent, that's fixed. Ability to interconnect with switches, that is stackable. And last we have port density.